Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how our fertility EMR MedITEX IVF works and how quickly it can improve your workflow. MedITEX IVF gives you all the essential tools to manage and view the journey of your patient. Through MedITEX you can document a patient's personal information, communication and consent in the easiest way possible. Its interfaces with other systems synchronize patient data so you do not have to enter patients twice. MedITEX IVF offers you specialized medical history forms explicitly designed for patients going through a fertility treatment. It also enables the recording of examinations and it interfaces with your ultrasound device so you can view the images directly inside the cycle area. Our software consolidates information from diverse data sources such as stimulation medications, examinations, pathology results, embryo development and appointments, providing an incredibly intuitive view for our users. MedITEX IVF also enables the management of all frozen materials for your patients, including a fantastic and accessible viewer to match and filter donors from your cryobank. Another very important feature is our semen analysis module. Developed with the parameters provided by the World Health Organization, you can accurately document the semen analysis and use our built-in calculators to help you save precious time in the lab. Especially embryologists love MedITEX IVF, as it offers a flexible and organized view to help them document cell development through a key part of the cycle. A few of the features are cell stages, scores, assisted hatching, photos and videos, genetic analysis, cryopreservation, cell thawing, transfer and many more. All features mentioned so far allow our industry-leading tool, MedITEX KPI, to help managers draw indicators to support decision-making based on factual data. As you can see, MedITEX IVF makes documenting and managing patient data quick and hassle-free, leaving you more time to do what you do best, making your patient's desire to have children come true. Thank you very much for watching and listening. If you are interested, please check the description or use our contact form in our website. Thank you so much!